Good morning, everybody. Today I am going to be changing the spark plugs on my 91 Jeep Cherokee XJ. It's a fairly easy job. Beginner technicians or mechanics should have no problem doing this job. I do have all my parts ready, my tools. I'm ready to go. Should only take me 15-20 minutes to do this job. It's fairly simple and straightforward. Okay, here we go. Plug one. I'm sure these plugs are aged pretty well. Look a little gnarly. They're not too terrible. I am going to go with NGK-Rs. Ooh, B-Power. Let's do some big burnouts with this thing now. So that's what I'm going to be putting in it. So we'll try them out. So a million different kinds of spark plug brands out there. I chose these just because, no particular reason. Torque. Boot back on. Move the cylinder 2. My spark plug socket's cheap. The boot doesn't stay in place. And that's okay. I have a little bit of experience with cars, so I can work around it. Go as fast as I can here. There's 2. Like I said, these spark plugs are really easy to get to. Anybody should be able to do it. I gapped the plugs, checked the gap. Everything was good on those. Always check the gap because you can have some that have been smashed in shipping, which I've seen a lot. And that will cause a misfire for sure. There's 3, halfway done. So any of you XJ owners out there that have never done spark plugs, it's pretty easy. And like I said earlier, anybody that has any sort of basic skill can do it. I'm going to be doing a full walk around on this Cherokee here. It used to, actually my dad bought it brand new. I will include some of this. Let me move the camera. Okay, camera moved, repositioned. Anyway, this Jeep belonged to my dad before it was mine. He bought it brand new in '91, and it's still going strong in the family, but he kept it in perfect shape, so I'm gonna do a walk around and kind of show it off at some point. And I'm relatively new at making videos, so figured I'd start with some easy ones. stuff that I'm familiar with, which is working on cars and stuff. Number 6. This is the tightest one, and it isn't even that bad. That's pretty much it. Now for the test, we'll go start it up. Okay, we'll go ahead and give it a shot here. Perfect. One, no misfires. Sounds great. So that's it. Changing the spark plugs on a 91 Jeep Cherokee XJ with a 4.0. And you can see how clean this car is. Give you a little tease here. Not much though. And that's it. Have a good day. Hit that like. Thank you. Thanks for watching.